We're ready.
Isteron cha bumanayas.
Linda K. Hicks does.
Dan jijola di dua.
Mason area.
Hiya Mvskoke bonaga mahogat. Na juweje. Ponede jigitla di dua gitla cha.
Kisla ko does in Chucky ba mahida.
Chaki ba?
Man bunay da lazy zeri. Man shazazola di da bunay. Moen mahagazola lazy zayat. Tehet ki bunaka zagitli ko din. Ma tsanahan gagi. Hozi ba? Okay. Married him. Terry de baga. Tukagi mahagazola voling. Uhiza da. Pumbahanak sa bukazi pumbotarin. Puhandohos. Terry going. Haray kibin. Nagirabi bagi makin. Tukkalagi hivolit si buhan hoy mal.
Ngasti ko bonaga unay cha. Makcha.
Yeah. Hayo adin.
Aha.
All them? Okay. I was about 5 years old that I remember talking Creek language, and ever since then I've been talking. And when I started school, my cousin Mary and cousin Terry, we was all together going to school at Mason, and my cousin Terry thought principal was getting on to us. He started crying, and he said, "Let's go home." So we went on home, and we got in trouble from Mama.
Na juweje steak bonagada. Bonede gitlichi do gitlichi di. Or jihosiba.
Healing gitlagodes, and maybe it's in the Maharazoles is at that. 7 years old mahidawa. No mamunga that tagi. Zaki bato. Man gitlet man bunakales is eridong.
Hiya Mvskoke bonaga mahoga. Jabosi somgi bayes magidomats. Somgi no wat. Istijadi jihaki gos magidomat. Jinda nagin jimona ho yedidua.
Mada na muna ho dito. Disa po na kada siyang gibahani dundos. Nitos in disa po na ka siyang gitno at di po na hibos magidima da. Mahayo at malotsak ibira ibirin no. Disa po na ka siyang ibirin haya. Tsats kilega. Mandim po na ho isa wos kilang. Muidang garden. Ya honan man lega. Disa po na ka simbo na idako wedon da kisli gurunga. Mongga tehet ko bunakan silong kyoga din no. Masong gibahana di maho ka mani ay ibidon dos ko ida sasad. Ubunaka nagida. Hi sa hoji hagi bidon.
Nach makcha English meja.
My grandma used to tell me that Creek language will disappear. Is that how I was saying? And it was true, because when I stayed with Mama, we talked Creek language all the time. But since I lost my mom, and I don't have nobody else to talk to when I'm at home, my friend that lives with me don't understand Creek and can't talk Creek, so can't talk to nobody else in Creek. So I guess that's what Grandma meant, that we was gonna lose our language.
Mojinita hiya nak onagujima hogar or nakasika stige hojat. Anda jabosi magidomat. Humbida mahok na wat. Ajolagi met. humbakin or jinjogobita mamed humbakin humbachas jageho jinomat hanyo wat amasustogi noge madar humbakin anil humbedo jinda nak jimanaho yedidoa mowigot mahogat
Madamuida muina monairida saburia. Istikul tinzogubile zotsnoat, humbag mahognoat, adulaga takit humbipin, tan labogi mungarakaman full laksin, humbipogian, humbagatsas, pogehozimats. And my grandma used to say that whenever we eat, people that comes over, visitors, or she used to say that let the elders eat first. Y'all can go out and play or do something while they're eating, Margaret. That's what she used to say.
Here, nak jimalegida, negidoa, gitlacha nak jimalegida doa.
It's Joshua.
Joshua.
Means beaver. My clan is beaver.
Iya Mvskoke bonaga nak imeyida nak stuiyat imahay gonawat sungibehis kungutcha
Mvskoke. Think it will.
Hiya naka inokida yikchi alagangi COVID mahoga. Jinhichkanga jimistogi mada inhichkanga istoi agitlechangama.
Well, I thought of it as, yes, I did caught COVID 3 times. They said if I took a shot, I thought maybe I wouldn't catch it, but I did. And I took another shot, and then after that I caught COVID 3 times. And my son caught it, and I think my daughter-in-law did too. And the way I was thinking, agitlezeyada, tsurulako over, inokkedagifishkut, alagidnito zahanido magidu. So stamahido agitlagedes, mes magido, inokkeda tinzahmileget, yeza giroze, nittada wole zidana magida, marotsaki tuzin goedagiflezedon. What I thought about COVID, in the Bible that I read, I don't know exactly what chapter or what book it was, but it talks about, Jesus said that there will be all different kind of disease that will come when it's nearer for Jesus to be back.
Here, Mvskoke hofonadi foladi anogichkan orjit mowakchinat jinita japkidohis mahugi modromat hanyawata songitawa goncha anogichka
Moirungo, Shungibirunda. I really do believe that. They used to say, love your neighbor, love your sister, mom and dad, mahongidumada hanyawat. I think we are losing. The love is like disappearing. Was mas hisagidamizidad. Ano gets ka bumozi sa wushkilo. We'll never lose our love from our Lord.
Yan nako nagojiam amanaho yidomats fitan dakabogi noat. Naktes asikades magagiwedi. Orali kako alak noat. Ma loja atbi sheo mahogat. Daklechi noat. Mahorali kako ida naibehis mahogi domat. Juta nagin yan michi noat. Jinhila yes, Jigeho Jidomadi.
Aha. Madamor and Mamaksa di the woman Maho Gidimas. Mes Tizari. Hodali Lako Adnoat in Niniozi Jewish Gehosidimas, in Niniozi Madan Hoyani Jewish Adnoa Maho Gidimas. And they used to tell me when a tornado comes, they said, how would you say, the path, it's got a path or a road, said it always comes through there all the time when it comes here. And they used to tell me that if you got a turtle shell, said if you know which way the tornado's coming, you have that turtle shell, and you go out there West Hudson or Hizidon. Did I change it?
Okay. Sticky.
Oh, okay. You have that turtle shell, you face west, and so you have to mark it like 4 times like this, and if you want the tornado go this way or that way, you just face that turtle shell that way, and that tornado would go around you. I've done that several times at home.
Nakita da. Kisla chat, Jimana Hoyadi. Bumanayas.
Tuan a lazy zedi. Nak moge mo na hoydi.
Manoga.
Okay. Well,
States to Jadapunana.
sa buzada di manak halo di shubanga mana mahay mats. Mawadi
Manoga.
ma tanahan gi mayor di bagyan. Halo di shubanga gikli da ziyazak nuat. Kizun leisit, kizu dakhol letsit. Halo di shawanahi man jahabalov katsina tsigikli bagay mahogi mabuho kono shida man jahabalov hongi dimats. Mo nagi hadizazat ko 50 cents. Mama dogat man uzada di honni don halo di shubanna honni don mas nagida Hicks in Hahogin Misa is makis 50 cents. Sa lashi study, sa meat study munga. Halo di shawana wezen do shubane no ma Hicks in mua gidanga. Sanvik sakho idemats.
Oh,
Hicks in shuban do sakho. All right. My grandpa's name was Chibani Alvanoki Hicks, and he wanted me and my cousin Mary to learn how to shake shells, going to storm dances. He told us to get us it's a big old log, it stands about that tall, it's got a hole in the middle, and that's for making a busky. So he told us to stand it there, put our shells on, and go around, start shaking shells. And he said we would learn, so we did. And I forgot what else.
50 cents.
Oh yeah, and when I was a baby, my grandpa said when I shake shells, he said he was gonna use that, made me lick on a 50 cents coin. So I could be heavy shaking shells and it would sound loud. So it was true, because when I shake shells it was too loud. I guess some of the women folks were jealous of it.
When I'm gonna say it in English now. When you were, I guess, like growing up, you know, there was other things that they told you not to do when you're young. Was there any things that were told to you that you needed to pass on to your daughter, your grandchildren? Maran nak mo wa jimana ho yidi doa.
No, nagyogin.
Like andat Jigesi wate gochage hojinomatsu. Istodio chinoa mana chinichina jigesi jopek china muigudis ma hoginomatsu. Mawanoge.
Naha mogit sama grandma tabojanoga magidumats. Jigesi wan la wekit. Wan la wegit sadi. Tsugalakkoda. Oktagi gaysin zap sa gidohan hindi magiduis magidimats. Jigesi wan la wegas sa residimats. My grandma, I forgot to mention her name. My grandmother's name was Sarah Coker Hicks. She used to tell me to quit cutting my hair, told me to keep it long because it says in the Bible that a woman is supposed to have long hair.
Yeah, Mvskoke hombira noge no se hoja jinda negi no se jida jigisi munga jimona hoyadi
Ужавки, Zadahara, Bashkoavki, Mawara. I still learn what they told me to, how would I say it? I'm not good in English, but I'm trying.
Stoko.
Mom used to show me how to make sofki. I still can make sofki. And she taught me how to make blue bread and sour cornbread, blue dumpling, grape dumplings. All them I can still make them. Oh, and gabizovki.
Story hachidoa gabijevki.
Idonan wat hoide, shizalasti, manan wat hoenden, nog lezen na, isro mazagin ledidat, man sayeden. I make myself gelai from. I have people cut me a blackjack wood, and I burn wood, and I use ashes from that to make soft gelai. And right now I have a whole bunch of them in the jars.
Wait, you don't go on.
Yeah, I sell them.
Here, manitegi for lot noge. Mvskoke bonaga. Bona hoidai, yajagi gorondo, naksto no widi, gumacha jinda.
Ingislidango agi godandoskoido. Kislagidundo esin. Shobona hui godai. Mambi dagi mogida. I think that they know, they understand Creek when you talk to them, but they just don't want to talk it, because that's how my kids are. I can talk to them in Creek, and they know what I'm saying, but they answer me back in English. And that's where we're losing our language, because like my daughter's kids, their dad is Choctaw, so she's trying to teach her daughter how to talk Creek and understand Creek, but then her dad trying to teach her Choctaw, so she's I don't know how you would say.
Mixed up.
Yeah.
Nakita da, bumane da jiajunga. Agi fletcha.
My grandma, Saboshi Daddy, Nagida, Megashap Kazorala, gospel geho is a twin desadi Maktagista Buddhism, but Yahegi desayazirunga. Piano yo highest desazidun, I don't grandma gifted and then. Portion was it to do not. Hatetki, hombigot, my bosingi. Ingi matuing as a gid manak lash ledgers a hoboga. Pulse to Malagidana. Man, hombigo munget. Boarding I use it 4 times on each side and on this side in means in a chigitliba is magiment. So misedo I piano I use it a mess notes as a kaya to miser what I don't doesn't buy.
Boy Charlie.
My grandmother used to tell me, she knew I liked to sing gospel songs and she knew I liked playing piano, but I didn't know how. And she once told me that if you have a cat, so get a cat, and before you eat breakfast, get that cat, hold her paws, and press my fingers on their paws 4 times on each side. And she said, you will learn. So I did it, and it was true.
Here na.
Man here.
Oh, na hitchin.
Tukadi. Okay. You did kibo na kayo naptin man mise dun duwesin. Nagit. Hadiyaza zoli ayat. Balat mahiste. Mabuzada din zoro. Zoro for dutsino rito zidunda. Umagya manabogi dun. Mama da tsagyo koshko zit. Nagir. Nakshogi moon. Satski dadi moon mizi di madagi leze dun ma. Hatsa ziyowi da kawakidun. Manatsagi shayandun. Shadihida. Hokoli no zidun. Moon shubizi betska. Tingir hammizi shubizi bezi. Nagida. Wala mazahni du aksi buray hozandan. Mary, Johnny, Terry, Wagia. Sado aklegi duis maham. Sado aklegi. Man hozifto gimatsa creek. Sado shogi dozi dan a woman aksangi shawosh giringa. So mama man bodo dandan. Wolis sa wiyanda. Shadihida. Fatsfagin imiziandan. Mama kojid. Ponoat. Mashobizi betska man lobot hozid imizidan. Mas Pozada din hadik pegadun na overalls dundo, coveralls, manatsi dunga. So, ubizi godaiga. Mary, yehats na holen and yoksha holen. Hadik peg hamizi, obey ubizi dum. Man, at sagisho ginokoshandel pono at sabovo zileza. Ma, tarufaka, ma simahabalof kiringa. At sagi manokon si mizi demons.
Oh, boy. Oh.
Yeah, mo mizi. Over the oil iskahaniyat. Half a mile mahi. In Hobayi abi and mama Mastur maktagis. Mes 5-gallon can. Hokolin manza wanda married bagyam. 1-gallon buckets. Hokolin za wan. Uwalis sawi. Akasha piso walis sa wakay magan dun. Mizi udi masama humbida sayana. And nagida akademi de jozi granga. Akademi ozi grandesan. Salits kadon lakkuwa nozi dun. Mana mansfully dun di mas talover sabiyit. Mama lakkuin sa bingali dun doadin. Sa bawad agi, so zashi zagidimas. So kolega screen man na maktagis ako din.
Stoko.
Haugi sa wash gidan. Fit da kamani da liban sa hizak na sa bawad lakko kagi, so zashi zagandan. So rovalisiya man na haugi lagi dunga. Lakko igamani listak fanga da zabingal haray kiya yedin. Mamoy lakkin sa bingalidun da mama ma lakko legan da humbida labuhana agis ka ukola mahe mason manayidunga ayahan dun ayida zats to gezadin taklegat sa mahagim ayida zats to ge mama keze muanot singahan si mahokin lakko azot si mizetsin uhlegen. Mama yung madaut si Megan. Ahohin. Nishka zorol huyat. Sakuma. Awana idun dezin. Uhlegen si labo kay mahag. Mom sa Bengali das kezen Olex in Maktoes Moad adaptas kemet. Slakuman nagimahi don do. Sa Bengali do adaptas adaptas mama dakalan. Nakstun sa kezen Olex zaz gudus kezen. Mas hombida bukin ada ivo hogitimat. Muin. Lakoling sa Bengali dimat.
Oh, ondas di kebun ada makan.
I was doing a lazy stuff at school. Mama, no, we grew up in a 3-room house, and there was about 10 people of us living there. And Mama worked hard all the time. She washed all the clothes for everybody. She washed by hand and used scrubber or washboard. She used to use washboard, washing clothes like that. And then we had to use a wringer sometime, and she made us go hang them clothes out by the garden where the fences was around the garden. We had to hang clothes up there on that fence to get it dry. And I was so scared of horses because my uncles used to chase me with horses, and I thought they was going to come through the house because we didn't have no screen door. That horse would be right there on the door looking at me, and I'll be crying. And Mom rode the horse to go buy some groceries. And I was scared of horses, but I had to get on that horse with her because I wanted to go. And we got to the store. Mama tied that horse to a pole, told me to stay on the horse while she gets groceries, but I didn't want to, so I jumped off the horse and went inside, and I got in trouble. That's how it was.
Hey, minitegi for lot. Yan mga handes market. Yan gita gachas. Mamuan yan mga handes market. Negi ni muna yakchidi. Hiya minitegi for lot. Negi makchidi. Yan git lakchas. Like you say, I want to tell y'all to remember this all the time as Mvskoke people. What would you tell them?
Tisa po man kezer mo agiri anziban adimbiragi. Man tisa po gisi do naktis kezer mo na yagirin dozen zibana gisi lagawidin dozen. Heilen gisi gudun dozen. Mes mo na yagidue. Nagin stuida istidas adzulagat imanezida elders like adamides ahada bizahan in manga stairs das azamiza doat imaneza gidohana manemonaidan.
Maitos.
I usually tell my grandkids to, I guess you would say, have respect for the elders, like if they can't help them to get out of the car or get in a car and walking upstairs and all that. Told them to always remember that, that they need to help elders.
Ada nakida pumanede jiajo or jindaiba.
Dayusta. That's all I got to say for now, and I'll say thank y'all.